daily soaps, dance, ads, fashion shows, and so much more. Multiple tasks, countless hustles. Seems challenging ना? बहुत. लोग हमेशा मुझसे पूछते हैं कि इतना सब मैं एक साथ कैसे मैनेज कर लेती हूँ. But my goal has always been to make it big in life. जो हमेशा मुझे कुछ बड़ा करने के लिए इंस्पायर करता है. I'm passionate about my career, my style, my performance, and every little thing that makes me who I am. And you know what? I have something that reflects my style and helps me live my life to the fullest. It's none other than the sleek and stylish Tecno Spark 10. Believe me, this smartphone is a game changer. With its multitasking features, I can seize every opportunity and make it big at every step that comes my way. So if you want to make a statement like me, get your hands on India's first 16GB RAM smartphone, Tecno Spark 10 under 15K segment.